Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're looking at the top 10 new pimple pops on the net. Consider this your week in review. While you watch, I'll include some helpful pimple popping tips on the screen to help spread the word about hygienic popping. Here we go. I'll also use this time to tell you about my favorite supplement, Rest More. I take Rest More before bed every night to ensure I get a great night's sleep. It has a variety of ingredients, so you reach REM sleep. It isn't addictive and it's safe to take every night. So if you want better, deeper sleep, try Rest More. Do you find yourself exhausted, lethargic, or just unmotivated? That means you aren't getting the deep, restful sleep you need. It's time to check out Rest More. Rest More is an all-natural herbal supplement designed to maximize your brain's ability to rest. Let's hear from some people like you.
I just had a baby 5 months ago, and I was having a hard time sleeping at night after I had her, obviously, and I tried this Rest More, and I'm sleeping so much better every night.
Doesn't make me feel groggy, fall asleep pretty easy, wake up refreshed, best sleep I ever had. Amazing, I would refer it to anybody.
Tried this for a month and it works great. I got a full night of sleep, wake up feeling nice and well rested, and now I can finally get to bed on time and have a full night of sleep.
What's better, Rest More is available on Amazon. So click the link right now in the description below. Order a bottle today and start getting the best sleep of your life.